I was responsible for setting up the first ever community ophthalmology department in the country in the government health sector, which is at the Rajendra Prasad Center for Ophthalmic Sciences at AIIMS. And that was a time when I started working with Orbis, and I did the formal assessment of a number of hospitals. Then we went on to do the first situation analysis of pediatric eye care services in India. So this was a nationwide exercise where we tried to look at the resources available, the skills available, the infrastructure and equipment for running pediatric eye care services. In 2006, 2007, we did a similar exercise for Nepal. 2018, I've been involved in a similar exercise in Indonesia. In 1998 or so, when ophthalmology was developing into more of a cataract blindness control program in the country, Orbis was one of the first organizations which stepped in and said, look, the needs of children are also important. So around the middle of the 1990s, when the pediatric ophthalmology learning and training centers as a concept were being planned by Orbis, it was the first time that this sort of a thing was happening in the country. We used to talk about the difficulty of finding one trained ophthalmologist who would be interested in pediatric care in the 1990s. And now you look at the situation, you have many more people. The support in terms of strengthening the infrastructure, specific rooms for children, especially at the outpatient clinics, trying to make the outpatient clinics attractive for children. These were concepts which did not exist in the 1990s. Hats off to Orbis for 2 decades of the work in India, which has transformed the way people look at eye care. I think one of the biggest advantages to the way Orbis has functioned has been to use the India example as a demonstration project, which could then be scaled up not just in India, but in many other low and middle income countries across the world.